Raja Krishnachandra was the king of Krishnanagar. Gopal was a courtier in his court. He was famous for his wit. Read this story to find out more. Wit means knowledge, intelligence. It was the season of Hilsa fish in Krishnanagar. Everyone spoke only about the fish. Raja Krishnachandra was tired of hearing his courtiers only talk about the fish. So this is the story about the Hilsa fish and the Gopal. Gopal is a very intelligent courtier in Krishnachandra's court. So it was the season of Hilsa fish. So everyone talks about Hilsa fish only. So Raja Krishnachandra was tired of hearing this. ಇದು ಸ್ಟೋರಿ ಗೋಪಾಲ್ ಮತ್ತು ಹಿಲ್ಸಾ ಫಿಶ್ನ ಸ್ಟೋರಿ. ಇದು ಹಿಲ್ಸಾ ಫಿಶ್ನ ಸೀಸನ್ ಆಗಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಅದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಇದನ್ನ ಕೇಳಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡು ರಾಜನಿಗೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಈಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಟಯರ್ಡ್. ಕೇಳಿ ಸುಸ್ತಾಗಿರ್ತದ ಅವನಿಗೆ. So one day he yelled, "Will you all stop talking about the Hilsa fish?" The courtier were surprised and became silent. The king realized that he may have reacted too soon. So actually one day what he said, he said angrily that, "Can you stop talking about that Hilsa fish?" The full courtier were very surprised and they become very silent. ಸೊ ಒಂದಿನ ಕೇಳಿ ಸುಸ್ತಾಗಿ ಒಂದಿನ ಅವನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ, ಈ ಹಿಲ್ಸಾ ಫಿಶ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಮಾತಾಡೋದು ನಿಲ್ಲಿಸ್ತೀರಾ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಾನೆ. ಆಗೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಆಶ್ಚರ್ಯ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. The king realized that. So he said, "I know it is Hilsa's season and no one can stop anyone from talking about it. So I have a challenge.